Great and beautiful morning and evening to you all, wherever you are joining me at this moment. Welcome to 374 edition of Investdata Trading Academy Live with Ambrose. Yes, I'll say that the market, let me start from home first. The market here in Nigeria or NGS is really mixed. I say it's a good one, opening high and low, trying to oscillate. We saw that market has kind of review kind of a mixed sentiment or a mixed trend. I'll call it a seesaw movement for the past 4 trading days. Up today, down today, up today. That's what we're experiencing in the market. Being the last trading day of the week, we want to know how the market is going to conclude for today. For looking to global market, I'll tell you that despite that the market is open on a mixed note today at this hour, I'll tell you that yesterday we saw that the market globally was in positive territory, which has a lot of what following the trend of the history of Thanksgiving rally or Thanksgiving holiday rally, which also supported the market yesterday. But this hour, you know that today the US having a kind of a half day or half section or just midday trading, not a full day because of the holiday for Thanksgiving. That was not so bad. Even that, the market in US have opened in the green, just inch up this morning. But that of Asia also a deep, as a result of weak data marking from Japan and also in Europe. These are the things that's also driving the market as we speak now. But I believe that this foreign market or matured market are giving sign that what is like to happen in 2024 is just a clue of investors already preparing their mind. As the year 2024 is just loading, people are looking the way how to invest, knowing that a performance at the end of this current financial year for most of the market across the globe will determine how far the market will go, knowing that the policy direction of the central parts of this economy has very important role to play to shape the economy. For that, all market players within these markets are also looking at what is the trend and what is the direction that things are moving to. But for me, there's no cause for alarm for most of this market because already we know where they are going. Like I just said, Japan and the eurozone no economic data were not too strong, and that also made this market around these two environment, Asia and the and the Europe to move in the southward marginally. So while some of this market are also missed, but I can tell you that the macroeconomic data that came from in terms of a purchasing manager index for the month of November for Japan and that of Eurozone are not too impressive. And also we saw a heavy loss in one of the all this jewelry company, one of the big weight in that industry, pulling back as a result of what fear of succession. That also weighed down on what on the Hong Kong market that is slide also further to the south. But I still believe that all eyes are still on what on the US operating margin for the month of today before business close today. That also will give investor an idea where the economy is going. And all eyes are still on what on third quarter GDP. The one that came from Germany was also below expectation. So that there's a slow growth, a weak growth in Germany for the third quarter result that were released. GDP that were released recently today, and that shows that that's also shaping the market in that environment. But I also say that even oil price that also was trying to like close positive for the first time this week, but that oil price as now is missed. Why missed? Because of the delay in OPEC meeting and also the balloon of US inventory. All these are also weighing on what on commodity market across the globe. But all this market is still moving what is moving positively in most of the market. Like I said, US market is still also okay, still in green as we speak right away now. Inch up, even though it's not much, but good. There's no opening in the negative direction like what we saw in in Asia and the rest of Europe. But the good news is that the earnings season for quarterly results are already communicated come an end. All eyes are still now looking forward to see the full year result of this company. But in Amazon, there's a protest also in Europe. That's why Japan also the Japan inflation figure has also accelerated. We are seeing that despite the maintaining the the losing policy in terms of negative no the interest rates. We are seeing that the inflation in the Japan has started looking up again. But all eyes are expected to see like a 3%, but we are seeing around the to 2.8 or 2.9. That is what still is eating up, and this also have sent a signal again in that domain. That's why investors and around the world want to look at what are the factors that will drive what, that will drive prices. It's very, very important that you must look at it, because it is this performance of these companies in that sector that will determine what will be, the end of the day, the earnings that also provide will feed on. That is both in Nigeria here in mature market, we all use the same factors. Look at company performance, because you can't separate the price of a stock or a company performance with the price on the exchange. That's why, yes, this is a secondary market activities, but the performance of the company will support what the price will look like. And I believe that that is why anytime, any day, as a trader investor, you must know why you're in the market, and we must have a goal, and that goal will guide you. That's why for we that are traders, we don't look away from what, don't look away from our charts, looking at to see the sentiment of people in the market. Because I tell you, you are not the only one playing the market. There are a lot of people and using different word strategy. There are people that use sentiment to analyze, fundamental to analyze, technical, combine the two, who have different also strategy and different type of traders. Those that are called position traders, those that are called swing traders, those that are called day traders. They are all there in the market for what? Traders, all of them were there. Momentum traders, we are there to make money. But some of us who can combine all this together to trade. That is why you must know why you are in the market and the kind of trader you are, and why also you have a goal or a plan to guide you at any given time. It's very, very important that we have this at the back of our mind. That will help us, as a trader or investor, to know what we are doing in the market. Once you're able to do that, I will tell you, you will go a long way. You will follow the market, and that's why I say that trend following indicators or trend following traders know what I mean by you must look at what the market is doing. Look at the index, look at the price, look at what your sentiment report, look at your fundamental, your technical analysis. As you combine all this and you are following the trend, I will tell you, yes, you might not make it get it 100%, but you will stay ahead of the market in profit. And that is why you are in this section, you are in this class, so that you can get more of this information to know exactly what to do in the market. Yes, back to our market share, because of our time, we want to quickly look at what is happening in Nigeria market, and that also give us more insight, because this is where we trade and this is where we make money. As I speak now, I'll tell you that the market is still in green, but today I was told that Thomas was adjusted for bonus issue of 445 today for investors to be aware of that. But let people look at what is the market doing itself as we speak. But we want to see what is the position of index right away. Then before we now go to look at the chart individually and tell us what is the market doing. Because I'll tell you, in recent days we have seen that the penny stock have dominated the market and they're giving investors good return. But at this current market situation, when it comes to chart, I will tell you more, because when market is trending, already we are seeing that your MACD, which is the momentum indicator, is also kind of having a divergence with the index. It sends a lot of message, and if you ignore such message, you also might be hooked in some position. That's why you must follow the market direction. And when you are seeing that low cap stocks, these are volatile stocks that are dominating top gainers, you have to also be very careful, because if at this time it is those that are not in the market that are coming to say they are edging against inflation. So those that are fixed income market players, I think they are edging against inflation, looking the way of equity at this direction, because equities are ahead of what inflation and other return in different investment windows. But for you and I that have been in this market, this is not time for say we are ending, because we already have been in this market, we are made. But what you need to do is, how can I edge against downturn? I've said it again, I'm still repeating today. That is what we need to edge against. And at this current time, we see the market is trending for more than 2 weeks, consolidating and not making one day off, one day on. It's a sign of weakness, and you are seeing already divergent in your momentum indicator, which is your MACD. And also, if you look at the RSI in the market, it's also already above 75 or above 70, getting 75. It says that market is naturally on a bullish on an overbought region. And if you quickly look at what I will show you when I come to the chart now, will show you that yes, momentum also is a bit weak again right now. For this one, we're saying the momentum, not momentum because of MACD or RSI. The momentum indicator which I used to trade, I want to open that chart when I come to technical, so that we can see the position of the market. That it can also give you an insight what you do. It's the time for you to be positioning for dividend paying stock, defensive stock, those stocks that have less share in issue, those companies that that they are consistent in their dividend payment. These are the things we're looking at, because I tell you, this is the end of the year. Yes, we'll have some seasonality that will play out in terms of Santa Claus rally that will come between either from 18 to 24 or from 15 to 24, and also end of the year in the dress that will become at the 31st, where many companies that want to close higher. But I tell you, most of the companies have closed, they are trading higher than what they opened the year. That means that will be dressing again, but not by as much, because most time it is when most of the companies are below what they start the year, they want to close to higher. But now, as we speak now, most of the companies on the exchange are trading higher than what they opened the year. That means that end of the year will dressing for price to close higher. Yes, it might come, but it might not be as strong what as expected, because of what many oil prices are already what on a green, on a higher than what they opened the year. Even the penny stock were all running after. Now that's why I say you must trade the market now with caution, especially as you are seeing all this local stock dominating gainers and people are jumping into you. You that is in class to trade with knowledge. There are some stock that you enter, no, you enter at the wrong time. But if you are in those stock as they are rallying, it's for you to target when is the right time for you to exit, not jumping in at the wrong time. And then if you must look at that to see the stock you are entering, is it at overbought? Has it gotten to a peak that yes, it is high? That peak will tell you exactly what to do so that you know as investor what to do with your position. You don't need to say you are looking for no profit, you want to jump into the market at the wrong time, and the market go against you or the stock go against you, you'll be tied down. And most of this penny stock, when you want to exit at the wrong time, it become a problem. You must play with caution when it comes to this kind of market. At this time, you can see it when the market is trending. I'm coming to chart. Yes, if you look at the index, the index is doing 71,000 and 71,103.98. Market is in the green by 51.13%, 51.13%, 1 basic point, which is also about 0.08 in the green, which for me is not a bad one. That market maintained green that we saw yesterday, that also the same green this morning. But if you look at the market bread positive again, we're seeing that more gainers in the market. We're having a 22 gainers against 15 losers right now, which is good for me. But if you look at the chart to tell you the activity chart for the market, we're also seeing that the activity chart of the market for today is dominated by what? By local stock, apart from Zenith Bank, that is one of the blue chip company and consistent dividend paying that among the what activity chart. I can see the life of Virtual Capital dominating with 87.1 million share traders so far, followed by Universal Insurance moving from around the 20 kobo to around 26 now, trading about 68.3 million shares as we speak. And Unity Bank, because of the news of what? Of merger with Providence Bank. And I said it earlier, and I will still repeat again. If you are a trader in this class and you are jumping into Unity Bank because of the merger news, you are doing it at the wrong time. Why I said so? Because this stock have rallied from as low as 92 kobo or 96 kobo to where it is now. That is almost getting to 100% return. And you, as a trader, if you target that at the end of this time, you might be hooked. Why? The merger alone is not enough. It is sentiment. But let me tell you, if Amcon is not taking away 274 billion negative shareholder of Unity Bank, and it go ahead and match with what with the profit, it's going to sink the bank that amount, because the bank they don't have up to that 275 billion shareholders from in their own angle. That automatically it will dilute those companies and it become a problem until either Amcon will come and take away this bank negative return before. Yes, but I tell you have to be very careful, because unless you are going to take this momentum investment we are seeing now to buy, but in terms of performance, we need to wait to see where the bank has to come together. They fuse together, we'll start seeing a whole transformation in that bank. For me, you have to take the caution in this kind of stock as we speak. Yes, if you look at Zenith Bank among them, which are traded at 12.9 million share, the Zenith Bank has moved from 35 almost 34.20 naira as we speak now, which is a good news. And these are the stock that I believe that those that are in this class that know that the market at this stage is you have to play with caution. These are the things you also be looking at. Then Transcorp also have moved from as low as 6 naira 18 kobo to 640 as we speak now, trading about 10.98 million share as we speak for in terms of activities in the market. But if you look at the loser chart again, we're seeing that our peak insurance is leading the loser chart, followed by CWG, which is the computer warehouse group, and Omatech, University Press, and APC Transport. We can see these are the low capital that have rallied. You can see that they are also adjusting now. For you have to play with with caution. But if you look at the top traders in terms of gainers, the top ones that are the 5 top gainers as we speak, I think that NSL Tech is leading with 10%, followed by Virtual Capital, which also 10% up. We're seeing Nimet. Nimet is a company that that did that issue not less than 3 years, maybe 2 years ago. Since then, the numbers of Nimet have remained in the green, in the red. Poor performance. Now, 2 days ago, we have seen it on bid on it. If you are in Nimet, we are waiting for to exit. I say this is an opportunity for you to exit. But for those that want to jump into Nimet because we are seeing 2 to 3 days bid, you have to trade with caution. I feel that at this time, that Nimet is going to pay dividend if market going into a correction mode, what will hold you and what animate that position? I mean, you want to kind of elongate or kind of extend your waiting period in limit. You have to trade because there are a lot of opportunity in other sector in the market, and those companies that has all it takes to weather the storm anytime the market correct. That's where you should be investing now. Especially if you have made money in the market, don't put your money where the same market that will take you down your profit from you. The last one among the top 5 winners is what is Sooner Assurance. There's 9.7, 1 naira, 13 kobo. These are the market situation right away as we speak. Yes, we quickly come to our chart to see what is happening here in the market. If you look at the chart here, we are quickly down here. If say when I say let me show you, look at from here to here, market has been above the T line, but it's trending in the right direction, which is good. Market is making higher highs, but on what? On a ranging market and also consolidated market. That means market has not broken up the highest it has thought, which is 71,165. No, there is 71,165. You are not breaking. You can see where it is now. And if you check this index here is ascending, and come and look at your MACD. Your MACD is already have confirmed a bearish MACD. The green one have crossed the next one down. And if you look at what we call the RSI is above what? Above 70. You see between here is 30 and 70. Anything below 30 is what we call oversold. That is where you expect the market to rebound. But now market have crossed 70, which also overbought. Then you can see that means market has remained at this stage. You can see where it is for this all this while. Any moment from now, and if market stay for this kind of direction for a long time, it's either market will break out on uptrend or what? A correction. That's why when market has consolidated for a long time, it becomes very script for investor to trade because either a pullback or what an uptrend. But here market is on what? On a side trend. You have to trade with what? With caution. It's very, very important. I will say this. But quick one, let me quickly show you one of the charts I want to show you here that's very, very important for us. This is the market as at yesterday because this is the end of the day. Look at one market. But look at my momentum indicator. You can see when the market was going, you can see how strong this momentum is to this level. And it remained up here, even that the momentum is strong. It came down here, it tried to come up again, but right now you can see that it's extending, almost touching 50 or going below 50 already. Then the momentum in the market is already becoming weak. Doesn't mean that you panic, but I'll let you that so that you will know exactly what to do. Don't be carried away with an up market, but rather what you do, start rebranding your position. That's why the comment Invest 2024 is compulsory for those that want to really take advantage of the market 2024 and also protect their gains from from the last 4 years from 2020 to date. What market has done, this is the time for you to know that you are investing in good position that will help you to manage your position. It's very, very important. That is what I want to really draw our attention to. But first of our time, let's look at our 1 hour chart for the market. We tell us also a position. 1 hour chart market is also side trending. You can see it here also is still bearish on 1 hour. Yes, it's within the range. And at this point, you can say it's not at overbought region, but still 1 hour. But quick look at the 4 hour start, 4 hour start before I go to another stop. I want to look at the stop that is also will interest you. I want to look at what is happening in this limit and what is the momentum on a 4 hour chart. That the market is already also at overbought region, 75 point, almost 76. You can see it here for a good one. And MACD have confirmed what a very strength. You can see it here. The same pattern is also to speak to you at this hour. Yes, let's look at what is happening in NIMET, or okay, let me look at what is happening in Unity Bank. So you will see for yourself and know what to do with this kind of situation. You must look at it and see the momentum behind the momentum in the market. It's very, very important that you have to understand what is happening in the market. That will help you to know exactly what to do as a trader. If you look at this stock right away now, you can see that the stock is already at 80 at 89. You can see, and also look at your market. Yes, it's very bullish. You can see that it's a positive one. But look at what your RSI is telling you in terms of the situation of the stock, and you can see where it's going. I can tell you this for 4 hours chart already. We are looking at very sharp, but I will tell you, look at the peak here, another resistance level here. You need to also play with caution. As I said, nothing stops you for taking profit if you are in this stop as we speak now. Let's quickly look at the 1 hour chart for the Unity Bank, and because of our time, I'll quickly look at the NIMET. Also, you can see it also your overbought region. But you can see that MACD. You can see already a sign of profit taking here in 1 hour chart here. You can see it here. But I believe that this is the time for you to play safe in this stock and start finding your way out. But because of our time, let's look at what is happening in NIMET. Let's quickly look at the chart of NIMET. Then we'll now call it a day. Let's look at the chart of Nimet. We'll now call it a day. This Nimet Nigeria. Now you can see, let's go back to 4 hour start for Nimet Nigeria. Yes, you can see Nimet no position now. This Nimet, you can see where it's also that move to. No, like I said, you have to play with caution. This stock has stayed forward a long time, consolidating at this point. It goes up and down within the T line, goes up and down within the T line, stay up, down. You can see it here. Before the breakout, also you can see it here. Almost a 2 naira 60 kobo was seen at 223. But I'll tell you, it's time for you to what to start also running away from this stock, because fundamentally nothing to support this price that is going on. Not to play with caution. Like I said, for those who are momentum trader or swing trader, take advantage of it and also exit wisely at the right time. On this note, I say thank you. See you on Monday, hopefully by God grace. Why for those in Q&A, we'll be meeting tomorrow, hopefully by God grace by 12 noon. I will say enjoy the rest of your trading day. Bye.